Hi Cavalier fan! The next recipe I'm going to share is called the Ritz Cocktail, created by Dale DeGroff. For this drink, you will need cognac, orange liqueur, cherries, fresh lemon juice, champagne, and also orange to garnish. We start by adding 3/4 of an ounce of cognac to our shaker. So we will fill our shot glass 3/4 full. Next, we need 1/2 ounce of Grand Marnier or orange liqueur, just about halfway full. In order to get 1/2 ounce of lemon, we will juice 1/2 of a lemon. That will go straight into our shaker. We'll also add 1 cherry. We will top this with ice and give it a good shake. We want to be sure that our shaking roughs up that cherry. Once you have a nice chill on the outside of your tin, we will strain this into our glass. Then we will top with champagne. For our garnish, we need to take off a round of orange skin. You know I prefer to use a knife or a peeler, but for this you want to have a good bit of pith, and a little bit of flesh isn't going to hurt. We also need a match. You do not want to use a lighter because you don't want butane infused into your cocktail. Be sure that the wood or the paper is actually burning instead of the head, because you don't want sulfur in your cocktail either. You'll take your skin and give it a squeeze. And there you have it. The Ritz Cocktail. Cheers!